Okay, it's your big finale. Round 5 of level 2. Congratulations. All right, so we're standing up. We're at the sink or a counter. We happen to be at a piano. It's a very stable, heavy surface. So whatever you decide to work out at, we're going to have one leg in front of the other in a stride stance. So we can lean forward and put our weight into one arm as we do a tricep extension with the other one. Bending and straightening only at the elbow. That's good. Pick a nice eye line in front of you so Mima can look at the deer, and that keeps her chin from dropping and staring at the floor. And you should feel it right here. This helps to give you strong tricep muscles and prevent the old wiggle when you wait. We're doing 2 sets of 20 on each side. Remember to pull that belly button in so you have a nice pretty posture no matter what we do. Good. Feel free to put the little dumbbell or the little can of corn in your hand if this is easier because you've been doing it for a while. But this is our first time, so this is plenty. Now, we're going to switch legs. The one was in back will be in front. Yes, same with the arm. And we straighten and bend now with the other arm. Again, only at the elbow.
2, 3, 4.
Beautiful job. Are you counting? Let me hear ya.
6.
Good.
7.
You've been really good with your
8.
counting. I know she's got good oxygen levels
10.
because she's breathing
11,
in order to count out loud.
12. 13. 14.
Come on, you can do this.
15.
Put some
16,
tension in it. You can build your own tension
17.
and make it isometric
18.
there at the end. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Last one. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All right, let's switch. Switch those legs. Lean. Pull your belly button in and bend and straighten at the elbow.
1, 2,
She's got it.
3,
Do you have it?
4,
Let's see it.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Nice job.
9,
Breathe in
10,
and out.
11,
Good.
12, 13,
You're almost there.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
She's doing better than I am.
19.
Keeping my torso stabilized. She's not moving at all. I'm all over the place. Good. Switch feet, switch arms. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4.
She's making it look easy again.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Come on, 10 more.
11,
You have this. I know you do. These muscles are important for getting out of chairs,
14,
getting out of bed, getting out of cars.
15,
You can't always pull yourself.
17, 18,
2 more, come on.
19,
20. Couple deep breaths from the stomach. Now, you want to get close to whatever you are holding on to. Separate your feet shoulder width apart. We're going to do mini squats. So pretend there's a chair behind you. Make sure you're holding on. This is very important. And bring your hips backwards like there's a chair behind you. You're going to sit in and then come up. Tiny squat. Don't even push yourself to a point where you're not sure if you can get back up or not. We're looking for small dips and then pull from your hamstrings and your quads and your rear to help pull you up tall.
8,
And we're going to stop at 10. These are hard.
10,
Take a couple deep breaths. We're not doing 20 of these. These are tough. And when you're ready, we'll do our second set of 10. Remember, there's a chair behind you that you're sitting in.
2,
If you go straight down and you put your knees over your toes,
4,
you are doing potentially
5,
some damage in the knee. You can have some pain.
6,
And we like to teach the best possible form with the squat.
8,
And she's showing it. Her knees are not going forward over her toes.
10,
Beautiful. That's it.
11,
Good job. Woo! She was ready to do more. All right, moving on to push-ups. You're going to back up a little bit if you can. You might want to start out really close to the surface. And go ahead and dip and come back, keeping those elbows close to your sides. Breathing in and out. That's 3. Good eye line so your chin isn't dropping. Always a beautiful straight posture with the belly pulled in.
6,
Nice push-ups.
7,
Obviously this is working your chest,
8,
your triceps, your shoulders.
9, 10,
Good, we're going to 20 on these, so
11,
come on, you got it.
12, 13,
Nice.
14.
Obviously the lower the surface is, the more challenging it is.
15,
So if this is too difficult, you can do it straight on a wall
17,
with less of a decline.
18,
She's got a pretty good decline going over there.
20.
All right, take a breather. If you need to reach up and massage sore parts, do, and whenever you're ready. We have one more set of 20.
1,
Good.
2,
This is one of the best stabilizers for the shoulders that you can do.
4,
So
5,
enjoy these.
6,
You want to do them forever.
7,
Just a part of your daily routine.
8, 9, 10,
Come on, 10 more.
11, 12, 13, 14,
You got it. Look at her go.
15.
Her elbows stay close to her sides.
16,
She has perfect form. I couldn't ask for better form.
18,
Make sure you're checking in on your form,
19,
since I'm not there to tell you.
20.
Good. Bravo. Take some deep breaths. When you're ready, this is our last one in round 5. Scoot to the front of whatever you're holding on to. Good. We're going to do hamstring curls, which means you're going to bend only at the knee, pulling the heel to the rear. So, hamstring curl up and down. Perfect.
2,
So she is working this side of her body because it's stabilizing. It's taking her entire body weight when she lifts this leg.
7,
And obviously working the
8,
hamstring
9,
on the right side.
10,
Good.
11,
Eye line
12,
up on a deer. We have a deer picture. Hopefully you have a picture in front of you that reminds you
15,
to keep your eyes on it.
16, 17,
We're almost to 20.
18, 19, 20.
Fantastic. Good. Bend.
1,
Good. Working right here, just so you know.
2, 3,
Nice.
4, 5, 6,
Excellent.
7,
You will definitely feel this on the support leg as much as the working leg.
10, 11,
Come on, we're on the home stretch.
12, 13,
Keep that smile on.
14,
Keep counting, breathing. Sip of water if you need it.
17,
You need water?
18, 19, 20.
All right, 20 on each leg, and we are done for the day.
Oh, is that it?
Nope, 20 more on each side.
2,
Then we're done.
3,
Come on, you got this.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Come on.
13.
Try to get that heel to your rear every time. Squeeze.
16.
Squeeze. Remember, never sling, never arch your back. This stays very solid.
20,
Only the bend.
1,
Last 20.
2,
You have it.
3, 4,
You got it. Don't worry about kicking me.
5,
I've been
6,
kicked a few times.
7,
I am from Texas.
8, 9, 10,
Good.
11,
I don't think we have a truck without a hoof print in it
13,
from a kicking horse.
14,
I'll take a kick from my Meemaw any day.
16, 17, 18,
Come on, 2 more.
19,
Yay!
20.
All right, you're done. That was level 2. And then in a few days we'll progress to level 3. Good job. See you tomorrow.